Copy-pasting SQL queries from ChatGPT into your data platform is really tedious, so why not have everything in the same place? We've recently integrated ChatGPT into our AI assistant. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from prompt to chart in just a few seconds. This feature allows our users to generate performant SQL queries faster than ever before. Remember, you can create a free account on Latitude.so. In this case, we'll connect a Postgres database with some user data. Just go to Settings, Data Sources, and add a new data source. Then select the Postgres connector and complete the required information. In our database, we have different types of users: paying, free, trial, and churned, and we want to know the split. Well, now you just need to create a new data app and add your data source to the canvas. From there, you can connect the code block to the source and prompt straight away what we want to know. Show me the split of users by type. You can see how the AI assistant creates a perfect SQL query. Insert the query, run the block, and open the inspector to check the results. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and help other people build data apps using ChatGPT. That was fast, but we're not finished yet. Go ahead and add the bar chart to visualize the split of users. As you can see, we got it done in just a few seconds and without writing SQL. That's it! Thank you for watching. You can build any data app you want using our AI assistant. Check these other videos to find some inspiration.